Thank you for 2025. I just want to thank you all for the cool year. All 184 of you. I reached goals that I would never imagine reaching. 110,000 views in total. 15.00 views in one video. It always made my day when someone wrote a nice comment. I'm going to try to continue filming videos in 2026. In my first video, I solved the 3x3 cube in 50 seconds. And my fast solve was 16 seconds. I solved my first cube and created the channel in February. And since then, I've learned how to solve 6 different cubes and dozens of algorithms. And for the first time of this year, 1.04 minutes, and see you tomorrow.